I'll never forget the morning I realized we were retyping invoices between QuickBooks and our CRM and losing leads in the process. If syncing tools feels like reinventing the wheel, you might have come across Method CRM, but is it the missing link that actually saves you time, or just another system to learn? Let's find out. Method CRM is a customer relationship platform built to work hand in glove with QuickBooks Online or desktop. It promises two-way syncing, customizable workflows, automation, and financial tools under one roof. So what are you actually paying for, and does it give enough value to justify switching? Let's break it down. Imagine closing a deal, generating an invoice, marking it as paid, and seeing all of that reflect instantly in QuickBooks without jumping between apps. That's the kind of streamlined workflow Method promises. They offer a contact management plan priced around $25 per user per month, billed annually, which gets you lead tracking, contact history, basic workflow reminders, and QuickBooks syncing. The CRM Pro plan is about $44 per user per month and adds sales orders, estimates, invoices, receipts, and payment entry. The CRM Enterprise plan rounds out the functionality at roughly $74 per user per month, unlocking full financial tools like purchase orders, bills, case management, and customer portals. All tiers sync live with QuickBooks, and there's a free trial that lets you test Pro and Enterprise features before buying. Method CRM shines with its real-time two-way QuickBooks sync, saving you from double data entry and bookkeeping errors. It comes with customizable dashboards, workflow automations, customer portals, and the flexibility to tailor it to your business, even with no-code customization options. Users consistently praise its responsive customer service. On the downside, lower-tier plans lack deeper features, so you may need to move up quickly, and there's no free forever plan. The interface can feel dated, and businesses not already using QuickBooks may find the integration focus less helpful. If you're a QuickBooks user who's tired of manual updates, start with Contact Management or jump into CRM Pro for full transactional control. Want bill management and customer portals? Enterprise lets you scale workflows smartly. Make sure to test the trial, sync settings, and automation before committing. So that's the honest take on Method CRM, an elegantly integrated QuickBooks companion that automates workflows but comes into focus when financial tools matter. If this helped clear the fog, tap that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense tool reviews, and I'll catch you in the next video.